slope of the straight line is, we know that m is equals to tan theta. Starting I have told. Slope m is equals to tan theta. Okay. So the tan theta is what we have angle, that is tan of
135 degree.
135 degrees. Okay. So actually we'll have the table now, that is, so in the middle I am telling you for the all the trigonometric are there. No, for that you can take here any sine, cos, tan, or for all that you can take here, that is x value and y value. The angles will be here from 0 degrees, after that 30 degrees, after that 45 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. So up to 90,
Yes.
you know. So when you will take sine, if it is a sine x, if it is sine theta, means sine 0 value is 0, and sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. The 45 is 1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
Will get. So 60 we have not written. No? 60 will be there. 60 is after degrees. So 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 and 90. Okay. So after that, if you take cos theta, so cos is 1, you will get 30. Just you have to reverse that one. That is root 3 by 2. And this is same 1 by root 2. And this is 1 by 2. And cos 90 degrees is 0 here. T. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. The inverse of this one. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Both 45 for cos and sine, you will get both 1. Okay. So if you take tan, what is tan theta? So tan theta is
sin theta by cos theta.
So you will get 0 by 1 means this is 0 value, and 1 by 2 into 2 by, so 2 will get cancelled. So 1 by root 3, and this both will get cancelled, means 1 here root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Both will get cancelled. You will get 1. It as infinity. So if we know these 3, it's enough for finding the other angles also. Okay. So here theta is there, but 135 degrees is there. Okay. So you can write that as 90 plus 45. You can write no 135 degrees. Yes, don't disturb the class. 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So it is equals to both. If you add, you will get 135 degrees. Okay. And again, if you have idea in the intermediate or even in 10th standard also it is there. You will have the 4 quadrants. No, in the 4 quadrants, sine values will be there. Cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, all those values will be there. So in that also 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta means whenever it is tan is there, it will be converted into cot. Okay. So and
minus cot 45 degree.
Yes, tan 90 plus theta means it is minus cot theta. Okay. So minus cot theta means minus cot 45 degrees. So same you will get. Cot theta means just reverse of this one. Here infinity you will get, here root 3, here 1 you will get, and here you will get 1 by root 3, and last you will get 0. Okay. But here minus sign is there, therefore the value is minus 1. Okay. So we got the slope value as minus 1. So if you remember this one, like this, you will have 4 quadrants. It is divided into 4 quadrants. In this 90 minus theta will be there. 360 plus theta here, first quadrant. And here second quadrant, you will have 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. Okay. Here 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. Okay. So, and also for the to remember the values here, you have to remember like this first quadrant, you can take all silver tea cups. Tea cups. So you can't remember here how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different angles are there. So, and we have 6 trigonometric ratios are there. So trigonometry, whatever are there. So what is sine 90 minus theta, sine 360 plus theta, and sine 90 plus theta, like this you can't remember. So with the help of this one, you can remember which are positive values and which are the negative values. So whenever it is 90 minus theta means all means 6, whatever, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, whatever the trigonometry ratios are there, those values in this quadrant, whenever it is sine 90 minus theta or sine 360 plus theta, all values will get positive only. Okay. So see here, we got how we got minus, because here it is tan 90 plus theta. In second quadrant, what is there? Silver. Silver means it is sine. So sine and sine opposite, what will get? Inverse of the sine you will get as a cosecant theta. So sine and cosecant theta both will be positive, and remaining other 4, they will be have the negative values. Okay. This here sine and also cosecant. So cosecant theta, what? Cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. Okay. So here sine and its inverse both will have positive values in the second quadrant. So that's why tan 90 plus theta we got in this quadrant. So the tan value is negative. Okay. So T means here tan and cot. Tan and cot values you will get positive values, and other, if you take sine 180 degrees plus theta is there means you will get it as minus sine. No, sine means sine only will be there, sine theta. Okay. So minus sine theta you will get. So 270 minus theta also. Sine 270 minus theta means sine will change into cos. Okay. So here T means tan and cot, both the values will be positive. Other 4, whatever other trigonometric ratios are there, those will be negative values. Here cups is there, no, cups means cos and secant theta. Both will be positive. Other whatever the trigonometric ratios are there, those will be negative values you will get. So this is important for the trigonometric one, this one and this values. And you have to remember that whenever all the 6, whatever the trigonometric ratios are there, in that if it is 90 degrees and 270 degrees, means they will convert into other trigonometric ratio. If sine 90 is there means it will become cos, or cos 90 means it will become sine. Tan 90 means it will become cot. Cosecant means it will become secant, and if it is secant means it will become cosecant. Okay. So 90 and 270. Whenever you have the angle of 180 degrees and also 360 degrees means they will have the same ratios. Means sine will become sine only, cos only, tan cot, like that. Okay. So that also you remember. That's why here tan 90 plus theta. So 90 means tan will become cot. And here 90 plus theta, no. So already 90 plus theta means tan has converted into cot, and theta is 45 degrees. So it is in second quadrant. So the value is negative. Okay. So on this, if we have any example problem also, you can know if you understand this concept. Okay. So these 2 are important. So try to remember those 2. So we got slope here. Slope m is equals to -1. Now, what is asking in the question? Find the equation of the straight line which makes an angle 135 degrees. So slope we got -1, and the point is -2, 3. That means here x1 is this one, and this is y1. So values we have to substitute in this equation, then you will get the equation of straight line. Okay. The point on the straight line is -2, 3. So you can write there x1 and y1. Hence the equation of straight line is, if you write the formula, it will be convenient to substitute the values. Okay, try to write compulsory the formula here. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Okay. So y minus, what is our y1 value?
Minus x1.
3. Okay. And what is that value?
-2.
-1. Okay. x minus x1. Already minus is there. Minus means it will become plus 2. Okay. So now multiply this one and you have to convert this into in the form of whatever the x and y are there, no? X and y quotient and one constant quotient you will get. Okay. So just you multiply this. You will get it as y minus 3 is equals to minus x. So minus into plus.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So every time whenever an equation is there, first x should be there, then y, then constant term. Okay. So when you take this minus x on the left hand side, it will become positive. Already plus y is there. Plus y. Here minus 3 is there. If minus 2, it will come to the left hand side. It will become plus 2. Plus 2 minus 3. So I'm confusion. Minus 3 plus 2 equals to 0.
0.
This is x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is the equation of the straight line having the angle and also the point. Okay. So like this, you have to solve the problem. This is the equation of the straight line when one point is given, slope is given. Same like this, only 2-point form will be there. 2 point means here only 1 point is there, no? If one more point is added. So here that simple one is in place of when, what is the slope you have given when 2 points are given starting, you have told now that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Same formula will be there. Instead of m, whatever it is there, with the help of the 2 points, you have to find the slope. So this is the one topic in this 2-point form, we call it as. Okay, 2-point form. So equation of straight line passing through the points x1, y1, x2, y2 is y minus y1 equals to, in place of m, you write y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula. Same you will have on both sides, just in place of m, you are writing y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Already we know m is equals to this one. When in place of this one, when you write m, it will go to 1-point form, slope point form. Okay. So for this problem, the equation of the straight line passing through the points will be given. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the find the equation of the straight line passing through the points. Through the points. So the points are here 1, 1 and second one is 2, 3. Okay, these two are the points. We have to find the equation of the straight line. Okay. So we need to find the, this one we can write like this also, no? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So where, what is m? M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. So like this also we can convert. So we need the equation, no? So we, for this, for your understanding, you write this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay. So the equation of straight line is the equation of straight line passing through the given points is, so what we have, y minus y1, y minus y1, y1 is 1 equals to y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into x minus x1. X minus x1 is x minus 1. Okay. Even this is slope. Before this step, you can find m value as a slope. You can substitute here. Anyway, you can write, okay. Y minus 1 equals to 3 minus 1 means 2 by 1 into x minus 1. Now you cross multiply that one. If we cross multiply, what will get? Y minus 1 equals to 2x minus 2. Okay. Already I have told x should be first, after that y, after that constant. Okay. So if x, it will come here minus 2x. Already y is there, plus y minus 1. It will come to that side, plus 2 equals to 0. So minus 2x plus y. This is plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So first, whatever that quotient is there, it should not be negative value. So you multiply this whole equation with minus. So what will happen? This will become plus and this will become minus y, and this is minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Starting whatever x quotient is there, so you don't keep it as a negative one. So then you multiply it with minus. So this will become positive, this will become negative, and this will become negative. Okay. So this is the equation of a straight line passing through the, when two points are given. Okay. So this is one of the topic. So this is also you'll get for the 5 marks question. So distance between the 2 points also we have seen. So only one equation will be given, that is the transform the given equation into slope-intercept form and also intercept form. Okay. So this you may get for MEQ question is there. That means model examination question last after completing of the unit you will be there, no? So that you can have this question. So they may ask for even 10 marks also. Why? Because 2 parts are there, no? One equation is there. With the help of that equation, you have to convert it into slope-intercept form and also intercept form. This problem already we have seen. While telling the concept of slope-intercept form and also intercept form, one problem we have seen. Okay. Same, if you remember that concept, you will see this one. Transform the equation 5x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0 into, first one is slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept means what? You can write here if you have any doubt. Y equals to mx plus c. Second one, intercept form. Intercept form means x by a plus y by b equals to 1. Okay. Now you have to convert this, whatever the given equation is there, that into this type and also this type. Okay. First one is slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means just if you will divide that one, we need m. Slope we need and that one. So first one. Okay. First one is y equals to mx plus c. Okay. The given equation is 5x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. So first we need y. Okay. So you keep like that only, minus 2y minus 7 is equals to, you take this minus 5, that is 5x to right hand side. So what it will become? It will become minus 5x. Next, only here right left hand side only y should be there. Okay, minus 2y is equals to minus 5x. This minus 7x you take on to right hand side. So minus will become plus. And we need only y. We have the quotient minus 2 is there. So to take out this also, you divide whole equation by minus 2. So we'll get it as equals to minus 5 by minus 2 into x plus 7 by minus 2. Okay. So this minus minus both will get cancelled. You get it as y is equals to 5 by 2x and this is minus 7 by 2. Okay. So now it is in the form of y equals to mx, or else you can write like this, plus sign is there, no? So plus, this is minus 7. That means c value is minus 7 by 2. Okay. So here, what is the slope here? Where M is equals to 5 by 2 and C is equals to minus 7 by 2. Okay. So from the first one, we have converted it into slope intercept form. So what is the second one? Second one, x by a plus y by b equals to 1 we have to convert. Okay. So the given equation is 5x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. This should be in this form. X by a plus y by b equals to 1. Okay. So for this, you write 5x 2y equals to, you take this minus to right hand side. So it will become here 7. Okay. So now it has got into 5x minus 2y equals to 7. On the right hand side, whatever 7 is there, instead of 7, it should be 1. So to become this one, what we have to do, you have to divide the whole equation by 7. So divide by 7 on both sides. So it will become, you're able to see here, 5x by 7
minus 2y by 7
equals to 7 by 7
equals to 1.
Okay. So now x by a should be there. That means x by, you have to take this quotient to the denominator. And here also y by whatever the quotient is there, that you have to take in the denominator. Okay. So it will be x by 7 by 5. If you take into the denominator, okay, 7 by 5 plus, actually should be in between, plus sign should be there. It should not be negative sign, okay. So you can write plus y by 7 minus 7 by 2, okay. This 2 you are taking into the denominator. So 7 by 2 and this sign also you are taking in the denominator. So minus 7 by 2 equals to 1. So therefore, what is A value? A value is 7 by 5.
7 by 5. B value equal to minus 7.
Okay.
Minus 7 by 2.
Okay, this is the conversion of the, from one equation only, we are converting it into two forms. One form is the slope intercept form, another form is the intercept form. Okay. So this is the one important one. So in this last topic we have is, this is a small one. Sometimes they may ask a question for the 5 marks question, and 5 marks question will be divided into 2 parts. That is 2.5 marks also, like that also they will give. That is finding the distance between the 2 points. When 2 points are given, how to find the distance between them?
x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square root over.
That root formula is there, no? In that formula, if you substitute the values, it's enough. You will get the answer. Okay. So distance between the 2 points. Distance between 2 points. That is x1, y1, and y2. That is root of, if this is p and this is q, then pq is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the formula. And problem will be like this. Calculate the distance between the 2 points. Calculate the distance between 2 points. So one point is 1, 1 and another point is minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So 2 points are given. This is P, that is Q you can take. Okay. So your solution, so that is PQ. I am not writing the sentence, that is distance between the 2 points. Okay. So PQ is equals to, we have the formula. Now you write here x1, this is x2, and this is y1, and this is y2. So x2 minus x1. What I have written? x1, y1. No, it is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. So PQ is equals to x2 minus x1. That is minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay. Now you simplify this one. That is minus 2 minus 3 means minus 3 whole square.
Minus 3 whole square. Minus 4 whole square.
And 3 square is what? Minus is that. So it
9.
will be 9 plus 4.
Plus 16.
So 19 plus, 16 plus 9, how much?
25 root over.
25 root means it is 5.
5.
So the distance is PQ is equals to 5.
5.
Okay. So this is a simple problem. On this also, if we have any example problems, you see them. And the last topic in this is find the polar coordinates of the point P whose Cartesian coordinates are there. Okay, polar coordinates we have to find. Okay. Yesterday in the introduction, I have told polar coordinates means it is the r comma theta. Okay. Cartesian coordinates are given in the problem. That is Cartesian coordinates are x comma y, no? So x value is given and also y value is given in the question. And we have seen even the relations also, that is x is equals to r cos theta, y is equals to r sin theta. So we have seen both the relations. From that relations, we have to find r value and theta value. Theta is here angle. So we have to find other whether theta is 0 or 30, 45, 60, anything, whatever angle you will get, that is the angle here. And r is whatever the distance is there, distance of the from the origin to the point P. Okay. Yesterday I have even shown the diagram as also. So relations are there and also diagram also I have shown. So through that we'll solve this problem. So this problem you may get for the 10 marks question. So almost exercise problems, I have told all the exercise problems. So practice the some example problems are there in your textbook. So try to practice. So if you are perfect with this one, you will get a 10 marks, 1 5 marks question you may get and 1 10 marks question also you will get. So find the polar coordinates. So once you see the old question papers, so that you when you go to the university in Jubilee Hills City there, no? When you go there, ask the previous question papers. You see how what is the pattern you are getting the questions in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Coordinates of the point P whose Cartesian coordinates are. So if you see 2 previous years, it's enough. You'll get the idea how which units they are covering. You can get the idea. Okay. Whose Cartesian coordinates are minus root 3 comma 1. Okay. So here Cartesian coordinates means x comma y. So x value is.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
మ్యామ్ మేము డిగ్రీలో మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కాదు మ్యామ్ బయాలజీ. సో మాకు కొంచెం ఆలోచన కొంచెం స్లో చెప్పండి మ్యామ్, ఫాస్ట్ వెళ్తున్నారు. సో మేము నోట్స్ కూడా రాలేక వెళ్తున్నాం. ప్లీజ్ కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోండి.
ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చాలా మెల్లగా చెప్తున్నాను ఎందుకంటే మీకు అర్థం కాదు అని.
అదే మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ వినాలా నోట్స్ రాయాలి అర్థం కావట్లేదు మ్యామ్, కొంచెం స్లో చెప్పండి.
యూట్యూబ్ లో కూడా మీకు వస్తుంది కదా క్లాస్.
కావచ్చాము, కొంచెం స్లో చెప్పండి మ్యామ్ కొంచెం.
సరే సరే ఓకే.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సో ఈ రోజు మేము మార్నింగ్ స్టార్టింగ్ చెప్పుంటే కొంచెం మెల్లగా చెప్పేదాన్ని. మీరు ఆల్రెడీ అంటే రాస్తుంటారు కదా కొందరు పిల్లలు, అందుకని ఎలా మనకు 4 క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 4 క్లాసెస్ లో 5 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. సో మాక్సిమం ఎంత కవర్ అయితే అంత నేను. ఓకేనా? సో హియర్ ఫైండ్ ద పోలార్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద పాయింట్ P. క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకవేళ మీ దగ్గర టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ రౌండ్ అప్ చేసుకోండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటుంది కదా మీ దగ్గర.
ఓకే.
అంటే మీకు రాయడానికి ఇన్ కేస్ టైం లేకపోతే అక్కడ రౌండ్ అప్ మీ దగ్గర టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉందో లేదో అని నేను క్వశ్చన్ కూడా రాస్తున్నాను యాక్చువల్ గా. లేదంటే పేజ్ నెంబర్ చెప్పేదాన్ని, పేజ్ అంటే నాకు టైం సేవ్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఓకే. సో ఫైండ్ ద పోలార్ పాయింట్ whose Cartesian coordinates are minus root 3 comma 1. Okay. So first you write the relation between the polar coordinates and the Cartesian coordinates. Okay. The relationship between polar and Cartesian coordinates. Okay, okayla you have any doubt, you can write polar means in the brackets you write r comma t, theta, r in place of theta we can write pi also, r comma pi. Pi means here angle here. Okay. So theta you will get as a values. Okay, you will get the confusion. Only you write r comma theta. Theta is the angle here. Okay. So Cartesian coordinates means x comma y here. Okay. coordinates are, so here we'll get r is equals to under root of x square plus y square. This is the relation. So r is equals to, yesterday we have seen this one. Okay, this is the theta. This is r, and this is the xi, and this is the y value. Here, if I have, so this Cartesian coordinates here means point x comma y will be there, and polar coordinates are means r and theta. R is the distance from origin to P, and theta is the angle it is making, and it is making the 90 degrees angle. So with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we'll find the values here. Okay. So if we'll take the sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Yesterday, if you have not listened, whatever the angle is there, angle opposite, whatever side will be there, this is called as opposite side. Okay. And here to this, whatever adjacent is there, this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Okay. So sin theta means opposite side y by r. So y equals to r sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is x by r. So x equals to r cos theta. Okay. From this only we got this relationship. R is equals to root of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square means, what is x here? X is r cos square theta, and y is r sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So you get the r square. Okay. So after completion of the unit also, they have given some formulas. One more, you remember this one, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. If you remember this, it's enough. Okay. And tan theta means, this is also there, I think so. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. You know already sin theta by cos theta. So hypotenuse both will get cancelled. So opposite side by adjacent side you will get. Okay. So from this we got this point P is the Cartesian coordinates, r and theta, whatever it is there, it is the polar coordinates. So we need to find r value, and we need to find the theta. That is what it is making the angle. Okay. So we have, what is cos theta? Cos theta is x by r. Cos theta is equals to x by r. And from here, what is the r value? That is x by under root of x square plus y square. And what is sin theta? Sin theta is equals to y by r. So y by what is r? R is x square plus y square. Okay. So these are the relationships you have for the polar coordinates and also Cartesian coordinates. First one is, this is the relation. Second one, these two are the relations. Okay. So now the Cartesian coordinates of a point P, we have written here, no? That only it is given. That is the Cartesian coordinates are, the Cartesian coordinates of a point P are x comma y.
Hey.
I in class polar coordinates is in the r comma theta. Okay. So now what is given from the question? Given x comma y is given. Given that x is equals to minus and y. From here, from the Cartesian coordinates, we got x value as -3 and y as 1. So we have these relations. No, in these relations, if you substitute x and y values, you will get r. Then you will get cos theta. Then you will get sin theta. From that, you have to find the theta. Ikkada r value vastundi, ikkada koste manaki theta vastundi. So first r kavalante r enti, r is equals to root of x square plus y square. Okay. So substitute x comma y in r equals to root of x square plus y square. So r is equals to root of what is x value minus root 3.
Minus root 3 whole square plus 1 square.
సో ఇది మైనస్ ఏమవుతుంది ప్లస్ అవుతుంది రూట్ క్యాన్సల్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. సో అంటే ఏంటి ఓన్లీ 3 ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 1
3 plus 1
అంటే 4
4 equals to 2.
2 వస్తుంది. సో మనకు ఆర్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి టీటా కావాలి. సో టీటా అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ బై ఆర్.
మేడం మీ దగ్గర ఉన్న నోట్స్ పెడతారా మేడం?
నా దగ్గర అన్ని గజిబిజి ఉన్నాయి నోట్స్ మొత్తము. మీకు అర్థం కాదు. మీరు దాంట్లో నుండి నేను పేరు వేసుకొని మీకు చెప్తున్నాను అనమాట. రాసినప్పుడు అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ గా రాశాను. మీకు అండర్స్టాండ్ కాదు కదా. మీరు ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ లో చూడండి క్లాస్ అర్థమవుతుంది. మొత్తం స్క్రీన్ అయితే షేర్ అవుతుంది కదా మొత్తానికి. ఓకేనా? ఎక్స్ బై ఆర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ మైనస్ రూట్ 3 బై ఆర్ ఎంత వచ్చింది 2 వచ్చింది. మైనస్ రూట్ 3 బై 2. సో మనగా we need theta value. Okay, so cos theta equals to minus root 3 by 2 implies theta is equals to ఈ theta కాబట్టి cos ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది ఇన్వర్స్ అవుతుంది.
Cos inverse
of
root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. Okay, సో cos ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ రూట్ 3 by 2 అంటే మనకి ఒక ఫార్ములాస్ ఉంటాయి. మళ్ళీ ఇందాక చెప్పాను చూడండి ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ లాగా. సైన్ మైనస్ టీటా అంటే మైనస్ సైన్ టీటా వస్తుంది. కాస్ మైనస్ టీటా అంటే పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ టీటా ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఏంటి మనకి పాజిటివ్ కాస్ టీటా వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈవెన్ టాన్ ఏదైనా నెగిటివ్ యాంగిల్ ఉందనుకోండి అప్పుడు మైనస్ టాన్ టీటా. కాట్ కూడా మైనస్ టాన్ దట్ ఇస్ మైనస్ కాట్ టీటా. అండ్ సీకెంట్ ఒకటి మళ్ళీ దీనికి ఇన్వర్స్ కదా సీకెంట్ కూడా పాజిటివ్ వస్తుంది. కోసెకంట్ ఏమో మళ్ళీ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో మనకేంటి కాస్ ఆఫ్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్వర్స్ కానీ మామూలు కాస్ కానీ కాస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ టీటా అంటే ఇటు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ మైనస్ ఉండదు. మైనస్ రాకుండా ఓన్లీ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ 3 by 2. రూట్ 3 by 2 ఏ యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది? ఇందాక మీకు టేబుల్ ఇచ్చాను కదా. కాస్ లో కాస్ ఏ యాంగిల్ కి రూట్ 3 by 2 వస్తుంది. ఇంతకుముందు 135 degrees యాంగిల్ కి వేసాం కదా.
30 degrees.
30 degrees. కాస్ 30 అన్న రాయొచ్చు లేదా మనం యాంగిల్ లో రాసాం అనుకోండి పై బై 6 అన్నమాట. పై అంటే ఏంటి 180 కదా.
180 degree.
180 degrees బై 60 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది 30 degrees.
30 degree. ఓకే,
మీకు ఏదైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ 30 degrees రాసుకోండి. తర్వాత ఈ కాస్ అండ్ కాస్ ఇన్వర్స్ అండ్ కాస్ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి అన్నమాట. సో అప్పుడు మిగిలింది 30 degrees. ఇప్పుడు 5/6 అని రాసుకోండి. ఓకే, సో అప్పుడు టీటా వాల్యూ డిగ్రీస్ ఆర్ 5/6. మనకి కాస్ కి వి గాట్ 30 degrees. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంది అంటే సైన్ కి కూడా చెక్ చేయొచ్చు. రెండు టీటా వాల్యూస్ సేమ్ కదా. పోలార్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఏంటి ఆర్ కామా టీటా. ఆర్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది వాల్యూ. టీటా అనేది రెండుకి ఉంది మనకి అంటే అది బోత్ యాంగిల్స్ కి యాంగిల్ కి కాస్ కి సైన్ కి కూడా సేమ్ రావాలి. ఓకే, అప్పుడు సైన్ ఏంటి సైన్ కి కూడా 5/6 వస్తుందా. సైన్ టీటా ఈక్వల్స్ టు y by r. y వాల్యూ ఎంత 1 by r 1/2. ఓకే, 1/2 అంటే టీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ 1/2. సైన్ 30 degrees
sin inverse sin 30.
సో ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి టీటా ఏమో వచ్చింది 30 degrees.
30 degree.
5/6. సో టీటా వాల్యూ 5/6. r వాల్యూ ఏంటి 2. సో లాస్ట్ కి రాయండి the polar coordinates are r comma theta, that is r value is 2 and theta is 5/6. Okay, and doubt in the 5/6 or 30 degrees and half. So like this you have to solve the problem. This is the 10 marks question. So next class we'll see the matrices మ్యాట్రిసెస్ తెలుసా? అందరికి ఐడియా ఉందా? ఉన్నారా? వెళ్ళిపోయారా?
ఉన్నారు, లైట్ గా ఉన్నారు.
ఓకే, అంటే మన కంపేర్ టు డిఫరెన్షియల్ క్యాలిక్యులస్ అండ్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ క్యాలిక్యులస్ ఐడియా ఉంటే మనం ఇంటిగ్రల్ క్యాలిక్యులస్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. మ్యాట్రిసెస్ ఏంటి అంటే ఫార్ములాస్ ఏమి ఉండవు, మనకు కొంచెం కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైతే సరిపోతుంది అనమాట. అంటే అడిషన్ కానీ లేదా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ కానీ. సో మనకి అదర్ యూనిట్స్ లో అన్నిట్లో కంపల్సరీ ఫార్ములాస్. ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో కూడా మనకి స్లోప్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఏంటి, ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఏంటి, 2 పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి, అలా ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. మ్యాట్రిసెస్ లో ఏంటి అంటే జస్ట్ కొంచెం కండిషన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. సో ఒకసారి మీరు పాత పేపర్లు చూసినా కూడా మ్యాట్రిసెస్ లో అడ్జసెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కానీ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కూడా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఆ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా 10 మార్క్స్ అడుగుతారు మామూలుగా. లేదా 2 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇచ్చి వాటి అడిషన్ కానీ లేదా వాటి సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ కానీ లేదా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కానీ, సో అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా 5 మార్క్స్ ఇస్తారు. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సాటర్డే కూడా ఒక క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత సండే ఒకటి, అంటే 2 క్లాసెస్. సో మ్యాట్రిసెస్ ఏమైనా కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి చూద్దాము, లేదంటే డిఫరెన్షియల్ క్యాలిక్యులస్ ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఏం క్లాస్ రాదు అంతే, అది పెట్టలే నాకు లైవ్ యూట్యూబ్. ఇప్పుడు 7 క్లాస్ అయినా పెట్టిండు
45 అప్పుడు ఓట్ చేసిండు.
ఏమంటుండు?
క్లాస్ తీసుకుంటున్నా నేను చేయాలి, ఫ్లో తీసుకుంటున్నా.
3 క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిందని చెప్పని ఉంటుంది, సగమే వస్తుంది అది యూట్యూబ్ లో.
इसमें तो नंबर सेंड करियो कोड लब रहा है।
నువ్వు చేసిరావా?